Hey everyone, in today's video, I am going to help you fix a common error. Failed to load DLL from the list. Error code 1x126. First, go to the Windows search bar and type PowerShell. Right click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Once it opens and prompt for permission, click Yes to proceed. Now you will need to enter 3 PowerShell commands. Simply copy the first command, paste it to the PowerShell and press enter. Repeat the process for the second and third commands. Copy each one, paste it into the PowerShell using Ctrl+V and press enter after each. After executing all 3 commands, the Microsoft Store will automatically open and direct you to the gaming service page. Click Get to download and install it on your computer. Once installed, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If this helped you, please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials and to support our content.